Hi, I'm Kshitij, founder of Shoot Guru, and this is realMe's Creators Camp. The whole concept of the Creators Camp is quite interesting, where you come to a very exotic place. You are with a lot of co-creators who have been in the industry for almost the same time that you have been there, and at the same time you are mentored by people who are in the industry for a longer time. So in the Delhi edition, the most interesting thing was there was very young people who were part of the batch, probably 2 or 3 years into creating photography or film content for their social pages as such. Some of them were doing it professionally, but most of them were creating it for themselves.
क्षितिज सर जिन्होंने सबको फोटोग्राफी वीडियोग्राफी फिल्म मेकिंग के बारे में सब कुछ बताया, कैसे आप बेटर फोटोज ले सकते हो, बेटर आइडियाज़ वीडियोज़ के लिए।
जिन्होंने इंगेजमेंट के बारे में बताया कि कैसे हम फोटोज़ या वीडियोज़ के थ्रू लोगों से इंगेज कर सकते हैं।
जो उन्होंने स्टेबिलिटी के टेक्निक्स बताई हैं मुझे, मेरे को बहुत पसंद आई और मैंने वो ट्राई भी करी हैं और वो बहुत अच्छी थी।
शूट ग्रुप की जो प्रो टिप है, जो सब कर रहे हैं वो मत करो, अलग सोचो, अलग करो।
So we scored on 4 parameters: shot taking, music, edit and theme. और सिर्फ 2 पॉइंट की लीड से अभिजीत हो गई।
How realme is introducing new products for photographers, for filmmakers, how these products are actually helping them. I feel these kids and the new age photographers and filmmakers are getting an opportunity to experience products and try them and test them for their own content.
Realme is and will always be the best place to grow for creators.